if AD and PM are medians of triangle ABC and PQR. So we have two triangles, then median, okay, respectively of triangle, and ABC is similar to PQR. Prove that. Okay, so not a complicated diagram. Just a minute. Let me. So answer. So yeah, diagrams are must to draw, right? ABC and PQR your triangles, is it not? So we have AD or median. So what is a median? Median is a line from a vertex to the opposite side such that PD is equal to DC. PM is also a median. So we have QM. Just a minute. QM is equal to MR. Okay. And they are told that ABC is similar to PQR. So given triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now, by CPST, what can we conclude? AB by AC is equal to, okay, sorry, not AC. What am I writing? Not that. Wait, this Sunday. This, okay, okay. AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to BC by QR, right? So we'll call this as equation 1. And what else can we tell? Angle A is equal to, just a minute, I'll change the color, angle BAC. So be careful over there. We have BAC, right? So why is that I'm expanding and writing? Because at this vertex, we have 3 arms. So be careful when you're writing that. Is equal to QPR. Q, angle QPR. Okay, sorry, I need to write it a bit more clear. Angle QPR. Okay, and what else? We have angle P is equal to angle Q, and we have angle C is equal to angle R. Right? So these are the given. Now we'll think about the question. See, I just wrote the given. That's the whole idea about geometry. Draw the diagram, write the given, then have a sit back and watch what is that you have to prove. Okay, one more thing we have to write is, since they are talking about median, as AD is a median, right? We are looking at BD being equal to DC, right? So BD equal to DC. We'll call this as, okay, BC by 2 is equal to BD is equal to DC. We'll call this as equation. We'll see as and when we require, we'll call them. Then we have as PM is a median, right? We have QR by 2 is equal to QM is equal to MR. We'll call this as some other thing. Okay. Now we'll start off with in triangle. Yeah. Now we need the ratio, but in which triangle are this ratio? Let's see that. AB by PQ, okay, is equal to AD by PM. So it's clear that this triangle and this triangle. So triangle ABD and triangle PQM. So we have, okay, how do you do it? I mean, I can't just write something over here. We have to plan first. So let's see angles. Angle B is equal to angle Q. We have that. Angle, this entire angle is equal to this entire angle, but well, we can't prove that this small angle is equal to this small angle because it's not an angular bisector. AD is a side bisector. So this angle is also not equal to that angle, so it doesn't work out. So we have to go with the side. So basically we have to go with SAS. Okay. So basically we have to prove AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM. So how will we prove it? With this. So we'll go with from 1. We have AB by PQ. We want that. And close to BD by QM is BC by QR. So what to do next? So, well, oh yeah, we have the bisector, right? So from equation, we'll call this as 2 and 3. 2 and 3. So from 2, we need to substitute this. From 2, we have, what do we have? We have BC is equal to 2 times of BD, and QR is 2 times of QM. So let's substitute that over here. So we have AB by PQ is equal to 2 times of BD by 2 times of QM, which is BD by QM, right? So we have the sides. All I just have to mention is from equation, where is it? We call this as equation 4. So from 4 and 5. So we have the answer. Therefore, from 4 and 5, right? By SAS, similarity criteria, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM, right? And therefore by CPCT, therefore by CPCT, AB by PQ is equal to PD by QM. Wait, what? Okay, yeah, that's the one. No, no, not QM. PM. Sorry, that's what. PM, right? Huh. BD, no, not BD. AD by Q. Yeah, AD by QM. We have to prove that. Medians, no? I kind of got shocked. It's already proved. Why is that I'm writing so much? Anyways, that's the whole point of having in, if you don't write it in a closed space, then all this confusion arise. So whenever you're writing a big answer, see to that you write it in a page wherein you can fit the entire answer. If not, back and forth in geometry will give you a headache. Don't do that. I don't have I don't have other options, so I have to do it over here. But you guys can always start with a fresh page, and in previous page, if there is a gap, just put a scratch. Okay. And there's a rule that every page has to be checked by the teacher who is correcting. So it's okay if you leave gap, your teacher has to correct all the pages. So it's not an issue. So again, the trick was to find out where these ratios are, which triangle those ratios are, and whatever is given, write that in an expanded manner, link all of them, and you'll get the answer. The same rule applies for pretty much all the geometry questions. Please keep this in mind. This is a very powerful tool. Okay. Now pause the video and have a go.